So we have previously discussed on the economic models. Now the time came to the understanding of the manipulation of the economic modules. The interesting part of the modules is that they are the based on the formulas, and the function on the formulas and the manipulation of them is based on the input. If the unfit is to be fitted into the similar modules, at that time the need of manipulating the module become very essential part of it. So we have to ignore the things, and we have to try to implement the part of formulas into the module which is to be taken into the reality. So when we manipulate and apply into the module, it will provide a very clear form of result. And at the end, if the explanatory power breakdowns, so to that point we can be come to the conclusion of the manipulation or the outcomes. The outcomes from models can then be compared to the actual data. So the outcome for the cross verification has to be taken to the comparison, and this comparison will provide the real and the model's output can be compared. So this will provide very clear form of result which has its own impact and the own result on the output. When these all things are been understood, this will provide a very clear form of result, and this result has its own impact and the prosperity on the module. So overall productivity of the model will increase, and the result has to be taken into the consideration, and this will provide the very clear and the comparisons output, and the critical output of the model has to be understood, and the reality from this has to be drawn, and this will give a very break even form of output, and this output